Look at these golden puffy and soft mandazi. Today I will show you how to make them step by step with just a few simple ingredients. We will need oil later to make the soft, lemon zest, baking powder, quarter sugar, wheat flour, then cold water. In a bowl, I add in wheat flour, I add in 2 tablespoons of baking powder and mix well to combine. Then I add in sugar, zest your lemon directly into the mixture. The lemon zest gives a nice fresh flavor and preservation. Mix well so everything combines evenly. Now slowly add in 1 cup of water little by little. Don't pour all at once. This helps us to control the softness of the dough. Start kneading until a soft dough forms. This recipe, Mandazi dough should be soft for the best results. Once the dough forms, add 4 tablespoons of cooking oil and knead again. This makes the dough smooth and prevents it from drying. After dough forming, cover with a clean kitchen towel and let it rest for 8 hours or overnight if you can. Resting develops flavor and makes the mandazi soft and fluffy. Heat some oil in the pan. After 8 hours, open and check how it looks after resting for 8 hours. As you can see, mine is very soft and smooth. Sprinkle flour on the surface. Start dividing the dough into 2 balls and roll one flat. Cut into triangle shapes for the first bunch and then square for the last bunch. You can shape them however you like. I just prefer triangle and square shape as my mother used to make them. After shaping them, place them on a tray. Add in pieces one by one when oil is already hot. As they cook, roll another bunch. Check on the progress of the first batch. Keep turning them to cook both sides evenly until golden brown. My first bunch is almost getting ready. As you can see, the golden brown color has started forming. Guys, the aroma in the kitchen is just incredible and amazing. Add in pieces of the second bunch and fry them until golden. Make sure you keep turning both sides to cook evenly. Roll out the last bunch of square shape. Start cutting them into a square shape. Cut while placing them aside. Let's check on the progress of our second bunch. Let's keep turning them on both sides to cook evenly. Add in pieces of the last bunch of square shape. And here they are, soft golden mandas, so softy and fluffy inside, perfect with tea or as snack in time. Kindly, if you have enjoyed this video, subscribe, like and share for more authentic recipes from my kitchen to your kitchen. Thank you. See you on Wednesday, 6:30 p.m. East African time.